Effective problem solving can help mitigate risks, focus the team, and improve processes. The 8 discipline or 8Ds is a systematic team-based method of problem solving that helps to focus on the source of the problem and eradicate. Learning the 8 disciplines problem solving process can help you discover effective methods for determining and understanding the cause of a problem so you can eradicate it. In this video, I'll try to explain and analyze the 8D discipline of problem solving, highlighting the reason of why it is important to apply it and how you must manage to apply every D on your team. The 8 disciplines problem solving method is a systematic, collaborative way to resolve important production processes and challenges. The objective of this system is to discover the underlying cause of a problem, establishing containment measures, and trying to protect clients and the company from problems. For the first D, we have that we must create a team, abilities of the team members, and we must have a team leader. This is for the also we have to determine the priorities and establish the team leader to promote the teamwork.
Yeah.
For the D number 2, we have that we must describe the problem. This means to properly address any problem, and it is essential to first have a clear understanding of what the problem is. Therefore, at this stage of the process, it is essential that you must meticulously outline the problem so that each team member can understand it and understand what they are attempting to solve. And then for the D number 3, we must contain the problem. In this stage, it is critical because when we want to improve the quality or safety of our product from the risk, in other situations, we might require new methods to work around the issue that we have on the production line.
Yeah.
For the D number 4, we must identify and analyze the root cause. This means that this is the point in which the team can actually find a solution for the problem. And now that we have like a temporary solution in place, we may take our time establishing the real one. I mean, we have like the short-term solution, and now we are attempting to find a long-term solution. We can use Pareto charts or a fishbone diagram to help us in this point. For the D number 5, we must test the solution. Okay, so with the D number 4, we find a long-term solution, and now for the D number 5, we must test it and make sure that it will work for the long term. After determining the course of the source in our problem, we can choose the long-term solution, like I was saying. And once the team has chosen a solution, it is important that they thoroughly test the solution before implementing it, because sometimes the solutions aren't the right ones and they fail.
Yeah.
For the D number 6, we have to implement the corrective actions. Once our solution was the correct one, we must prepare and execute specified permanent corrective actions. It's basically applying the solution once you have found one. Okay, so the right solution, once you test it, is to apply it on the real scenario.
Yeah.
Okay, and so for the number 7, we have to take preventive measures. What are preventive measures? Like auditing management process, operational procedures, and training manuals to ensure that the organization adheres to the best practices. For this objective of containing long-term outcomes that can rise from the long-term of the solution. Okay, and so for the last D or D number 8, we must recognize the team and individual contribution. This means that after the team fixes the problem, the last step is to congratulate them. It's essential to acknowledge their efforts and share their accomplishments through the organization. The team must feel good with themselves and with the work they have done. And why is it important to apply the 8Ds? Because there are 5 mainly points. You reduce customer problems, better knowledge or true understanding the causes of a problem, permanent fixes through the eradication of the core problems of our production line, improve quality controls and methods and control plans, and in-chain system that assess the product development. I can use the ideas like which kind of problem it is okay to use them. You can apply this process in almost every of the business or production related process that we might uh, challenge in the future.